You've explored keyword research and learned how to evaluate volume and competition. Now it's time to bring everything together and create a complete keyword strategy from scratch. Your keyword strategy is the foundation of your ASO success. It's not just a list of search terms, it's a plan to drive traffic, increase visibility, and reach the right users at every stage of their journey. Let's walk through a simple, powerful framework to build a keyword strategy from zero. Step 1. Define your app's core value. Before diving into keywords, get crystal clear on what your app does and who it's for. What problems does it solve? What makes it unique? Whether you're building a calorie tracker or a language learning tool, your keyword strategy must reflect your core value. This will guide every decision from here on. Step 2. Identify your seed keywords. Seed keywords are the starting terms that describe your app. Use simple phrases like budget planner, meditation, or habit tracker. These are your foundation. From here, you'll expand into related and long-tail keywords. Step 3. Expand with tools and AI. Use platforms like AppTweak, Sensor Tower, or Mobile Action to build a keyword list around your seed terms. These tools will give you keyword suggestions, search volumes, and competition scores. Look for variations, synonyms, and related features that your users might search for. You're building a keyword universe here. Capture everything relevant. Step 4. Segment by intent. Now, divide your keywords by user intent. For example, discovery intent, general terms like productivity app. Solution intent, more specific, like daily habit tracker. Brand intent, when users search for competitors by name. By categorizing intent, you'll know where each keyword fits in your funnel, from awareness to conversion. Step 5. Prioritize based on opportunity. Not all keywords are created equal. Choose keywords that strike a balance between high search volume and low to moderate competition. Include a mix of long-tail, mid-tail, and high-volume targets. This layered approach allows you to rank fast while still chasing bigger opportunities. Step 6. Map keywords to metadata. Next, strategically place keywords in your title, subtitle, and description. Apple gives weight to title and subtitle, while Google Play scans your full description. Focus your most valuable keywords in those prime locations, but keep it natural. Don't keyword stuff. Step 7. Track, test, and tweak. Once your app is live, the strategy isn't done. It's just beginning. Use your ASO tools to monitor keyword rankings, conversion rates, and user behavior. Test new keywords monthly, adjust based on performance, and track what's moving the needle. In 2025, keyword strategy is not a set-it-and-forget-it game. It's a live system, and the best ASO professionals revisit and evolve their strategy constantly. By the end of this course, you'll have your own repeatable system for keyword discovery, selection, implementation, and analysis. Whether you're managing one app or 50, this framework gives you the flexibility to adapt, scale, and dominate your category. Now let's build your keyword roadmap and turn strategy into serious growth.